Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered how websites, mobile applications, AI chatbots, and automation tools are built? The answer to all of these can start with one powerful programming language, that is Python. In this video, we will explore what Python is, its key features, real world applications, and why it is one of the most in demand skills today. We will also learn how to install Python and write our very first Python program. By the end of this video, you will have a strong foundation to begin your programming journey with confidence. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started and dive into the world of Python. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language that helps us give instructions to a computer to perform different tasks. It is a simple and easy to learn programming language and to create websites, software applications, automation tools, and artificial intelligence applications. Now that we understand what Python is, let's look at some of its most important features that make it one of the most popular programming languages in the world. The first feature is simple and easy. Python has a clean and straightforward syntax which makes it easy for beginners to learn. Even if you have no programming experience, you can start writing Python programs quickly. The second feature is readable code. Python code looks very similar to the English language, making it easier to read, understand, and maintain compared to many other programming languages. And the third feature is free and open source. Python is completely free to download and use. Anyone can access its source code and contribute to its development. The fourth feature is cross platform support, which means a Python program written on Windows can also run on Mac OS and Linux with very little or no modification. And the fifth feature is that Python is an interpreter programming language. This means Python executes code line by line, making it easier to find and fix errors during development. Next, Python comes with a large standard library. It provides thousands of built-in modules and functions that help developers perform various tasks without writing everything from scratch. Another important feature is versatility. Python can be used in web development, data science, AI ML, automation, cybersecurity, and many other fields. Python is also considered as high-level programming language. This means developers can focus on solving problems rather than worrying about complex system details. Another major advantage is its community support. Millions of developers around the world use Python and actively contribute tutorials, documentations, libraries, and solutions to common problems. Finally, Python is extensible. It can work together with other programming languages such as C, C++, and Java, allowing developers to build powerful applications. These amazing features are the main reasons why Python has become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Now, let's move on to the next topic, uses of Python. Now that we know what Python is, let's see where Python is used in the real world. Python is not limited to one field, it is used in many industries and technologies like data science, machine learning, automation, game development, software development, web development, and so on. Now we will dive deep into the each and every application. The first application is data science. Python helps companies analyze large amounts of data and make better decisions. For example, Python analyzes sales data to increase profits and also predict future trends such as stock prices and forecast customer demand and weather patterns. And the second application is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is the most popular language for AI and ML. For example, Python helps building recommendation systems like YouTube and Netflix. create image recognition systems, develop speech recognition, and fraud detection models. And the third application is web development. Python is used to create websites and web applications like online learning platforms, banking systems, social media websites, and so on. And the fourth application is Python can automate repetitive tasks and save time. For example, sending emails automatically and generating reports and renaming files and processing data instead of doing manually. And the fifth application is software development. Python is used to build desktop software, mobile app backends, and enterprise applications. For example, business management software, mobile app services, company management system is all are done by using Python. Many companies use Python to build internal tools that employees use every day. And the next topic is why learn Python. Now that we have seen what Python is and where it is used, let's understand why millions of people choose Python as their first programming language. It is easy to learn. Python has a simple and readable syntax, unlike many programming languages. Python code looks clean and easy to understand. Even beginners can understand this code quickly. Also, it is a high demanded. Python skills are highly valued in today's job market. Many companies are looking for Python developers in fields such as data science, artificial intelligence, web development, automation, software development. Learning Python can open doors to many career opportunities. And it is a versatile. Python is not limited to one area. It can be used for web development, data analysis, automation, game development, and so on. It is the one language having many career paths. And it is a fast development. Python allows developers to build applications quickly because the syntax is simple. Developers spend less time writing code and more time solving problems. And also, it is a large community. Python has one of the largest programming communities in the world. If you face a problem, you can easily find its tutorials, documentation, videos, forums, community support, and so on. It helps always available when you are learning. Python real world impact is used by some of the world's biggest organizations like Google, Netflix, Instagram, and NASA use Python for various applications. Learning Python means learning a technology trusted by industry leaders. And the next topic is Python installation. Before we start coding in Python, we first need to install Python on our computer. The installation process is simple and takes only a few minutes. Step 1. Download Python. First open your web browser and visit the official website of python.org. Then click on Downloads. Select the latest version of Python for your operating system. Download the installer. Step 2. Run the installer. After downloading, open the installer file. Before clicking install, make sure you check add Python to path. This is very important because it allows us to run Python from the command prompt. Then click install now. The installation process will begin. And the step 3 is wait for installation. The installer will copy all required files to your computer. This may take a few minutes. Wait until the installation is complete. Once finished, click close. Step 4. Verify installation. Now let's check whether Python was installed successfully. Open the command prompt in your search bar and type python space hyphen hyphen version or python hyphen v. If Python is installed correctly, you will see something like python space its version, whatever you have downloaded. This confirms that Python is ready to use. And the step 5 is test Python. Let's run our first Python program. In command prompt, type Python. You will enter the Python interpreter. Now type print open parenthesis, give double quotes, inside the double quotes hello, comma, world, and close the parenthesis and enter it, and you will get the output as hello world. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Python and executed your first Python program. Now that Python is installed and also we write our first program, now we will do one small problem statement. Imagine a product costs 999 rupees. The shop offers a 100 rupees discount to that product, and we want to calculate the final amount the customer needs to pay. Okay, so understand the code. First, we write a variable called price and store the value 999. Think of a variable as a container that stores information. Okay, we create another variable called discount and store the value 100. And now the print function displays output on the screen like 999 minus 100, which gives the out displays the result as 899, and the final price is 899. This is the programming of Python. So that's all for this video. Today we learned what Python is, why it is popular, where it is used, how to install it, and how to write our first Python program. This is just the beginning of our Python journey, and in the upcoming videos we will learn Python step by step with practical examples and real world projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future updates. Thank you for watching this video and happy coding.